As a data analyst in Excel, saving multiple rows as a PDF offers several advantages. First, it allows for efficient sharing of large datasets without compromising formatting, ensuring that recipients view the data exactly as intended. This is particularly useful for presenting reports to stakeholders or team members who may not have access to Excel. Additionally, PDFs provide a secure way to distribute sensitive information, as they can be password protected and are less susceptible to unauthorized edits. Saving data as a PDF also enhances visibility, allowing for easy navigation through pages of information. Overall, this functionality streamlines the reporting process, improves collaboration, and maintains data integrity, making it an essential tool for effective data communication. When saving the table range as a PDF file, you don't need to include the table column headers in the selection. If you mistakenly include the headers, your PDF may display double headers, which can look unprofessional. Instead, simply select or highlight the data rows only. Click the Save as PDF button, then browse to the folder where you want to save your PDF file and click OK. A dialog box will appear asking how you want to name your PDF file. Let's enter PDF1 and click OK when you're finished. Another dialog box will guide you in selecting the table range. Once you've selected the range, click OK, and a preview of the PDF will be displayed. The PDF will then be saved, and a confirmation message will appear. Just click OK. Navigate to the folder, and you'll find the PDF at the bottom of the list. This macro will automatically include the exact Excel file name. Double-click to open the file, and you'll see how the selected table range is saved. The macro adjusts the column widths, ensuring that if the data doesn't fit, additional columns will automatically move to the next page. The PDF will retain all its formatting. Although we didn't include the column headers in our selection, they will be automatically generated in the PDF to match their corresponding data. Remember, you cannot edit this PDF file unless you convert it to an editable format, such as a Word document. To save an Excel file by pressing Ctrl and P, you are initiating the print function rather than directly saving the file. First, ensure your workbook is open, then press Ctrl and P to open the print dialog box. Select your printer or choose Microsoft Print to PDF if you want to save it as a PDF. You can adjust settings such as orientation and scaling options, and you will see a preview of how your document will appear when printed. If you have a large dataset, it is unlikely that everything will fit on a single page without adjustments. To fit large data, you can select Fit Sheet on one page or adjust scaling options in the print settings. Switching to landscape orientation can provide more horizontal space, and manually adjusting column widths can help minimize excess space. Reducing font size may allow you to fit more data, but be careful not to make it too small to read. While you can attempt to fit everything on one page, it may compromise readability, so it is often better to spread the data across multiple pages for clarity. In conclusion, we have covered how to use this feature to enhance your Excel experience. If you'd like to learn how other features work, please watch my full tutorial on automating tasks in Excel with macros and VBA. I've included the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content.